Welcome to your ASCAND video. In this short tutorial, we'll show you how to create a 3D model using the ASCAND Vision Kit. First, start the turntable and set it to the slowest speed by pressing the middle button labeled SR 3 times. At this speed, it should complete one full rotation in 25 seconds. Place the object you wish to scan at the center of the turntable. Secure your phone in the phone holder and open your camera app. Set it to record a video. Ensure that the turntable is slightly smaller than the video frame. There should be small gaps on the right and left sides, making the turntable and the object fully visible. Focus the camera on the object and start recording. Record a 75-second video to capture 2 full rotations of the turntable. Next, log into your ASCAND account and upload your scan video. Give it a name and select the quality for processing. Remember, higher quality settings take more time to process, so you might want to start with lower quality and reprocess at higher quality once you're satisfied with your scan. Once your scan is processed, you'll receive an email with a link to your dashboard. There, you can preview your 3D model. If you like it, you can use your credits to generate all the files. If not, no credits will be deducted from your account. That's it for now. Thank you for your interest and your time. We hope to see you again soon. Until then, have an awesome day.